Hey guys, it's Alvin and welcome back to my channel. Or better yet, welcome back to my floor. Okay, so if you did see last week's video, you'll know that I unboxed the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. And like I do every single time that I get a brand new iPhone, I like to make these videos where I show you guys what's on my latest iPhone. In this case, what is on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Because for some reason, you guys really like these videos. Okay, so let's get this video started. Now, you may have noticed that the current language set on my phone is currently Espanol, and there's no reason for that, just because I prefer it in Espanol. Okay, I have my mail app, which currently has 16,756 unread emails. Honestly, I gave up. I literally don't even have the time to go through all those emails, so I just kind of let them build up. I have my calendar, I have my photos, my contacts, camera, YouTube, maps, clock, calculator. Basically, these are the same apps that come with your phone, nothing too exciting about that. Oh, I forgot, I also do have a reminder. So let's go ahead and see what that says. Okay, if you know me, you know that I'm always writing lists, and basically I always like to have that reminder there just in case I forget. And today there's a reminder, actually 3 minutes ago, where I have to try on a baseball t-shirt. Basic average apps, whatever. So we do also have my Chase app because I like to make sure that there's money in my bank. My AT&T app, always have to make sure that my money goes to them so that my bills are paid. We've got our Facebook app, our Tumblr app, our Twitter app, Shazam, Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat. And you guys know that we do this every single time I make these videos. We're gonna go on Snapchat and we're gonna go ahead and play with the filters, and jeez, I look busted today. I haven't even played with these Snapchat filters in a while, so let's go ahead and see what those are for keeps. Oh my god, I'm bald. Oh, hello. Oh shit, okay. I can dig this hairstyle. Shoot. Ooh, you put me in a tough decision, baby. I don't know what the hell that was. A vampire. Oh, this filter's kind of dope. I like this. Okay, I like this filter. I hereby decree that today, October the 8th, is National King Day. And so it be done. The basic bitch filter. Why do I look 12 in this filter? Oh my god. Oh, the teddy bear filter. Boring. Haha, the blue flame filter. This is kind of like if Sub-Zero and Scorpion had like a love child or whatever, and it would be emitting blue flames. A clown, because this is literally how we be acting when... This is literally how we be acting when we go back to people that play us. Okay, I'm done with this. We have our YouTube studio, which I always go there to edit all of my videos and my thumbnails, and then just kind of, do what YouTube doesn't allow you to do in the app. We've got our Afterlight and our Visco app, two of the most crucial editing apps. We've got our Target app, we've got our Educators Credit Union app, Netflix and Hulu, got my Bitmoji app, our Starbucks, PayPal, Cash app, my Abercrombie app, my Twitch app, my Amazon, and my Atajos app. Basically, boring stuff. Next page. This page is a little bit more colorful, figuratively and literally. Got our Venmo app, I've got our Amazon Alexa app. The reason I whispered that name is because she's always listening. Like, I'm literally looking at her, she's literally waiting for me to say something, but I'm not gonna say something because I don't need anything. Do I, Alexa? We've got our radio.com app. When I was in New York, I kind of got a little bit homesick because I always love listening to my favorite morning show, which is Riggs and Alley in the mornings, and since in New York they don't have that station, I was so glad to have my radio.com app, hashtag not an ad. And of course we got our B93.3 app. This is another app that I also keep on each phone that I have because I do love my 80s music. They play adult contemporary music from the 80s to today, which is so cool because literally you can hear Cyndi Lauper and then hear Maroon 5. You can literally hear Madonna and then Pink. It's like a good mix. Got our activity app, we've got our Duolingo app, which I should get back on it because my French has been really sucky lately. I still know my basic French, but still I could be a little bit more better. Got our Marcus Theater apps because movies are cool, whatever. Got our Uber app, our Pokemon Go app, and I actually haven't even played Pokemon Go in years, and I hear it's not the same anymore as it was when I first started. Got our Apple Store, our Watch app, our Warby Parker app, our Paychecks. Paychecks is basically how I see my paycheck stuff from work. Ooh, secrets out. Got our Southwest app, our Radley Health app, our TV Guide app, because I'm too freaking lazy to check what's actually on the TV where I can just look at it on my phone. We also got our Triple Triad app. If you don't know what Triple Triad is, it's basically a card game that was held within the Final Fantasy VIII game. All Final Fantasy fans know this. And believe me, that game is one of the best ones ever. And actually, let me just do a quick run, give you guys a little demonstration. This music also plays in Final Fantasy VIII when you're on the train and you have the dream sequence the first time, and love it. Ugh, just makes me want to play Final Fantasy VIII more. I'm almost done with Final Fantasy VII, but okay, shut up, Alvin. Okay, so I'm up against Headmaster Sid, and look at the deck that they give me. Basically, you flip over the cards. I'll show you right now. Okay, I've got 5 and 4. It's got the Caterpillar. So he's got a 2 and a 4. So if I grab this one over here and I place it right next to the one that has 2, I'll flip it over. There we go. And of course he played the Festa-Tickalone. But it's okay, I've got the bite bug and I'm gonna actually flip it right now like so. Bam. Another Festa-Tickalone. That's okay, I've got my other bite bug right there, beach. And my red bat is gonna flip over this chest because the number is higher than its bottom number, which is a 4, and my red bat has a 6, and sorry, Headmaster Sid. Dun, dun, dun. I will take the Festa-Tickalone F. And that's basically it. So we have our Mario Kart app. I've been playing this since it actually dropped. It's actually one of the reasons why my battery before has been dying, and I'm kind of okay with that because I was having fun. I have my SAP Concur. This is another work app, nothing really too exciting, but whatevs. And yes, I know you guys saw the elephant in the room, or the elephant in the iPhone. Yes, I have downloaded Tinder. I always just like to use it when I'm bored. You know, you get to meet new friends and new people, and Facebook can only do so much. We're not gonna go through my Tinder unless you guys really want me to, but if you do, drop a comment and say, Alvin, make a reading my Tinder conversations whatever video. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. We also have our podcast app, our followers app, and yes, I do use a followers app. We're all human. You know you have a followers app. Don't even try to deny it. We also got a folder for our video editing apps. Our Square Ready app is one of those. Our crop video, that's one of my favorite apps to have because when you are screen recording, you can actually crop the video to make it a bit more professional, like you didn't just screen record it. You're welcome. I also use my RFV. Again, that was before I could flip videos, and now with this brand new iPhone, I'm actually able to flip a video, which thank God Apple actually let us have. I'll still continue to use this because it's a force of habit. Also have my cut story for Instagram, my iMovie. I don't really use iMovie as much since I really don't make videos like I used to every single day on Vine. RIP Vine. Also have my layout app. I've got my Fuji camera and my Camera Connect. I actually don't even use these apps anymore, like I said. I just have them there because it makes the folders look pretty. And lastly, my shopping app, which is, you know, where I like to go when I want to shop or I'm bored. Got my H&M app, my Wish app. I actually haven't used my Wish app in months, maybe years, but maybe I'll use it again. I've got the Goat app, I've got the Nordstrom app, Hollister, and of course the eBay app. And there's actually a notification because that's the notification that's telling me that my package is on its way this Friday, which I already have because it's Sunday when you guys are watching this. Okay, well there you guys go. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this week's video of what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys like this video, as always, please make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up and drop a comment if you want that Tinder video. I don't think anybody's gonna request it, and again, you never know. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go finish editing this video, and then I'm gonna go probably watch Hocus Pocus for the 8th time this month. Halloween only comes once a year, and I have to take advantage of it. Okay, no, but for real, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and until next time, I bid thee fare thee well. Goodbye.